Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new, then my name is Mezabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I am doing this my signature makeup look, and this is kind of my go-to makeup look which I love to wear for every day, and whenever I want to wear makeup for that time I will wear this look. I just love this kind of look, and so I thought of sharing with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Do subscribe if you wish to see my future video, and yeah, let's begin. So first I will be priming my face with this MAC's Prep and Prime, and I have been using this primer a lot, and this is a good primer, and today I haven't used my Frasali Unicorn Essence oil, but this time I am only using this primer. So first I am making my brows with this brow pencil by Rimmel London, and this is black brown, and yeah, I am just filling my brows as normal, and yeah, this brow pencil is really good, and then I am just brushing upwards. Then I am using this Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium, and I am just applying on my eyelid, just priming my lid, and also cleaning up under my brow bone area. Then taking this blush nude palette by Maybelline and taking the lightest shade and setting up my concealer, and so that it doesn't crease and my eyeshadows will sit there properly. And now I am taking this Fenty Beauty foundation, and lately I have been loving this foundation in the shade 310, and yeah, this is my favorite, current favorite foundation, and I am blending it up with the Beauty Blender, following the same routine as in my last video. And then I am again setting it up, my foundation, and pressing the foundation with the Beauty Blender so that it looks very flawless, and applying a little bit on the neck area. And then I am again taking this same concealer, and I will be applying it under my eye area and all other part to highlight. And again I will be blending it up with the Beauty Blender. So I will spray and blend, and you can use a damp Beauty Blender too. Spraying on the Beauty Blender, it sets your makeup so well, and it doesn't crease too, so I love doing this way. Try it, you will love it. And then I am setting my concealer, and I will be setting my whole face with this translucent loose powder. You can use any powder, but I am kind of baking my face here but a little bit, and I am applying this powder on all over my face.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
And then I am taking this Rimmel London's Sun Shimmer Bronzer 004 Sun Star, and like normal I will be bronzing my face.
The world seems small, we can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
and also taking a small blending brush and applying the same bronzer on my nose. And then taking this blush, and I have talked about this blush earlier in my videos, and this is Fifth Avenue's blush in the shade Berry, and I love this blush, and it's very inexpensive, and I got it from Kmart. You guys know it's literally a very good color. And then taking this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is the highlighter I am using for a while now, and I just love it, and it's like my go-to highlighter.
Sometimes you need to go.
And if you want to know where I buy this highlighter from, I bought from glamrider.com, and all the products I buy from glamrider.com, and especially the Wet n Wild products. And then I have set up my face, and then I am taking this same palette and taking this lightest pink shade and applying it on the crease area.
Take a step back to see the truth.
And brushes I have used are exactly the same brushes I have used on my last videos. It's the same blending brushes by Zoeva. And then taking that shimmer kind of pink shade and applying on the lid.
From a distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors forever.
And then taking this dark brown shade from the same palette and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes and taking it slightly upwards and inwards.
Free, you and me, meant to be outdoors, forever free.
And then taking this Mellow Cosmetics black eyeliner, and this is a pen eyeliner, and applying it, as you can see here, and like I am creating a little wing. This is as normal as I do. This eyeliner is literally so good, and this intense black liner is by BYS, and this is like I use it for every day. This is such a good product, and I only bought it for $2. Wow. And then taking the same dark brown shade and blending, like smudging the eyeliner. And here I am taking this Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara and applying the mascara all over the lashes, both the lashes. And taking this light pink shade from the same palette and highlighting my brow bone area and also on the inner corner of my eyes.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
And taking these lashes I bought long time ago from eBay, and like I thought of using it now, and yeah, this is a good, it's okay, but I love my Huda Beauty lashes more than this one, but here I am applying this one. and yeah, it's a bit hard to apply just because it's a bit thick, so yeah, it took me a while to apply, but yeah, it was okay when it was done. So taking this 01 Innocent ETC lip liner and lining my lips, and yeah, it's just that nude kind of lip liner, and or you can call it lightish pink shade, and taking this Kylie Jenner's Candy K and Cocoa K liquid lipsticks and mixing these two shades together to create a shade I wanted for this look. And I just love this liquid lipstick, and my daughter has been using a lot of Cocoa K, so there is very less product left in Cocoa K. That's why I have mixed these two products together. And this liquid lipstick I bought a long time ago when this came out, and I just love this color, and hiding the glue with this black liner, same BYS liner. And yeah, this is all done, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and loved it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Bye. I will catch you all later in my next video.
I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.